Hello guys, and welcome to my fourth video tutorial on JavaScript. In this video tutorial I'm going to teach you how to use prompts. Okay, so let's open Notepad, and to make our first prompt let's type prompts parentheses, and inside the parentheses let's type some text. Okay, remember to type some text. You had to put it between double quotes, sorry. Let's write, what is your what is your name? Save this. Okay, let's run this in Chrome, and there it is. Okay, a box popped up with something, some input here where we can type whatever we want, and see that the text that we typed inside the parentheses is here. What is your name? Okay, so let's type here Victor. We click OK and nothing happens. Okay, to make the prompts useful we had to put the prompts inside variables, and we do that like this. Variable, let's call it test, equals, and then equals the prompt itself. Okay, so now what happens here is whatever we type in the prompt, in this case we will type our name, whatever we type there, it will be stored inside the variable test. Okay, and then we can use or output variable test to see the content. Okay, so let's make an alert, semicolon, and an alert of the value of the variable test. Let's save this, let's run this, Chrome. What is your name? Victor. And there it is. Okay, an alert appears with my name or whatever I typed before in the prompt. So you see that we use prompts to take some information or take whatever the user types and then output in an alert, and we can make document write or whatever we want, okay, with that information. So let's make more variables. I'm going to change, instead of test, I'm going to change this to name, and then I'm going to make another variable called age equals prompt what is your age, and I'm gonna type another variable that will be band, and I'm gonna type what is your favorite band, and then I want to alert output the name variable, the age variable, and the band variable. Okay, each one will have the value or whatever we typed in the prompt. Okay, so I want to alert the name variable and to output more than one variable. We type plus age variable plus the band variable. Okay, now we will have an alert with three variables, the values of the three variables. Let's run this, Chrome. What is your name? Victor. What is your age? 30. Where is your favorite band? Nirvana. And there it is, Victor, 30, Nirvana. Okay, so I want to put some space between Victor, 30, and Nirvana, or some commas. Okay, let's make some commas here. Okay, Now, we have the name variable, then we have to type plus and double quotes because we're gonna type a text, and the text is only the comma itself. Okay, then plus again, H, and again after H plus a comma. Okay, and the band. So let's save this. Let's refresh this. And now, what is your name? Victor, age 30, Nirvana. And there it is. Victor, comma 30, comma Nirvana. Okay. So let's make a more complex alert box with some more detailed, some more complex text. So I want a text saying in the alert box, your name is space and plus, and then my name will appear, right? And then comma, and here I will type your age is space plus age will be my age, and then here let's type and your favorite band is whatever I type in the band. Okay, prompt. So let's run this. Let's run this, and my name is Victor, my age is 30, and my favorite band is Nirvana. And now text appears. Your name is Victor, your age is 30, and your favorite band is Nirvana. Okay, so you see how we can play with some prompts and use the prompts to take some information from the user, okay, or whatever the user types, and we use that to then output some answer that we want, okay, some information, okay, with the values that the user gave us before. So you can play more with this examples, okay. You can make more variables if you want and change the alert box with another type of text or whatever, okay. And remember that the code reads every line, but always in order, okay. So you remember that first appears the name, okay, then appears age, okay. So JavaScript reads always the code, and not only JavaScript, general programming languages reads the code in order, okay. First line, second line, blah 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 blah, okay. It doesn't read first the variable band and then the variable name and then alert and then comes back to the age, okay. It doesn't read like that. It's always in order, okay, line by line. So you can play with the code a little bit more on your own, okay, and develop more skills, okay, using these examples. So this is all for this video, and if you have any questions, just send me a message, and don't forget to subscribe. So see you guys later, and have a nice day. Bye.